This DIY idea is about taking an old art project and transforming it into something new. Ever tried a printmaking class? Well, what are you going to do with all those prints that you were experimenting with while you were learning? How about making them into some cards? These two prints were actually perfect for cutting up and making into cards. And here's how they came out. With this print, I used my embossing gun to add the happy birthday and the 60 and then added some gold crowns, and it made the perfect little celebration card. With these prints, I just added some decorative tape and it came out pretty nice. I found that some of my prints made some really nice special occasion cards. The special 50th anniversary card that I made. I will pull out a pocket. Another golden anniversary celebration card. So take that old artwork and turn it into cards, put it in the mail, and make someone's day.